Hey guys, Twinkle123 here, and today I'm doing just one of those random videos. So basically autumn is here and all the leaves have turned orange in Animal Jam and it's just so nice and peaceful. The music has them to change though, and also I have a big announcement. Animal Jam is bringing out so many rares, you won't believe it, but they've brought out a golden phantom for 1 diamond only. Can you believe that? Well, I can't. I only saw it today and I was like, oh my god. But I didn't buy it because well, I'm not going to buy it yet though, but I am going to buy it. Right, why did I go in here? So anyways, Animal Jam has been taking lots of items away. So yeah, they're bringing out a load of new items. It's like they're taking away the old items and making space for the new ones. So they brought out candle hats. It's really cool. I bought one, and when you walk around, the flame moves. I just thought it was really cool. You get them all in different colors, like almost every item. I don't know why, but they only brought out like two Egyptian items for your clothes. And now, okay, well a fez is kind of like it. Well, they brought it back. They brought back backpacks. Oh, and there's updates that I only saw yesterday. Oh wait, no. I only saw these updates on Friday because I was not on Animal Jam for a week, and I don't know why. Pet monkeys have come to Jamal, and yeah, so there's a new game in Jamal called Spot On. You have to. It's a fun new game where you try and spot animals in pictures as quickly as you can. Click on, in Spot On, click anywhere to say blah blah blah. So anyways, yeah, I'll play that game, just demonstrate it. The pandas, the rumors are true. Jaguars, pandas, the lovable and exotic bears will soon be returning to Jamal. And then what animal will be leaving? Oh, pet peeve. Didn't see this one yet. One. I hope you guys can hear it. Okay. I don't get that. HFHQ loves helping animals in the real world. Head to the Conservation Museum or click below to watch a new video where Animal Jam HQ adopts an otter at a local aquarium. Now I'm not going to play that because usually those ones are quite long and it's already been 4 minutes. So yeah. And now the autumn is here, as I said, and Night of the Phantoms Jamal's Spooky Fall celebration is coming soon. Yeah, it's like Halloween's in like 6 weeks. Okay. So I'm just gonna see the effects. Let's see. Sky high, yeah, that's what I'm recommending. Okay, so let's see. Um, next Sunday, then Sky High will give you 2 max gems. Oh, wow. Wait, that's it. Oh my god, wait. Oh yay. Not at the front of this one, because I've never been on Animal Jam before that. And I've only heard of the Phantom Vortex. And I've never been to that party either. So yeah. That's all for now. And as always, I'm Twinkle Angel 123. Bye!